Tight access crane operator. Tight access cranes are specialized machines designed to operate in confined environments, offering unparalleled maneuverability and load handling capabilities. These versatile tools are essential for a wide range of industries, from construction to industrial maintenance. Course Overview. 1. Comprehensive Program. This training covers crane operation in confined spaces, teaching maneuvering techniques, safety protocols, and equipment maintenance for effective and safe operation in challenging environments. 2. Target Audience. This course is for people who need to operate cranes in confined spaces, such as construction workers and industrial equipment operators. 3. Accreditations. Training conducted in accordance with OSHA 1926.1427 guidelines. Understanding tight access crane operations. Crane controls. Tight access cranes feature specialized control systems, including remote-controlled operation, that allow for precise maneuvering in tight spaces. Load planning. Carefully calculating load charts, balancing weights, and determining the center of gravity are crucial for safe and efficient operations. Rigging techniques. Skilled rigging and load placement ensure the secure movement and positioning of materials in confined environments. Types of tight access cranes. Spider cranes. Agile and compact, spider cranes excel at navigating tight spaces and maneuvering around obstacles with their extendable legs and compact design. Mini cranes. Diminutive in size but mighty in capability, mini cranes provide a powerful lifting solution for projects with limited access and space constraints. Knuckle boom cranes. Featuring a folding boom design, knuckle boom cranes offer excellent reach and versatility, making them well suited for confined environments. Crane operation basics. Crane controls. Mastering the intricacies of crane controls, including hydraulic, electronic, and wireless systems, is essential for safe and efficient operation. Load charts. Referencing detailed load charts and lift planning guides ensures that crane capacities are not exceeded, preventing accidents and equipment damage. Load balancing. Properly distributing and securing loads, while maintaining the center of gravity, is critical for maintaining stability in control. Safe operation in confined spaces. Maneuvering. Navigating tight spaces requires exceptional spatial awareness, precise control inputs, and the ability to identify and avoid obstacles. Blind spots. Maintaining constant vigilance and utilizing spotters or camera systems is essential for identifying and mitigating blind spots during operation. Obstacle avoidance. Careful planning and execution are necessary to safely move loads while maneuvering around various obstacles in confined environments. Load handling techniques. Rigging. Selecting and using the appropriate rigging equipment, such as slings, shackles, and hooks, is crucial for the safe and secure movement of loads. Load placement. Carefully positioning and securing loads, while maintaining balance and stability, ensures the safe delivery and installation of materials in tight spaces. Troubleshooting crane malfunctions. Hydraulic issues. Prompt identification and resolution of hydraulic system problems, such as leaks or component failures, are crucial for maintaining safe and reliable crane operations. Control system faults. Diagnosing and addressing issues with electronic control systems, including sensors, wiring, and software, can help prevent unexpected crane malfunctions. Preventative maintenance. Regular inspections, lubrication, and adherence to manufacturer-recommended maintenance schedules can help minimize the risk of unexpected crane breakdowns. Industry best practices. Operator training. Comprehensive and ongoing operator training is essential for ensuring safe and efficient crane operations in tight access environments. Site assessments. Thorough on-site assessments to identify potential hazards and develop appropriate safety protocols are crucial for minimizing risks. Continuous improvement. Regularly reviewing and updating best practices, based on industry feedback and lessons learned, helps drive continuous improvement in tight access crane operations. Advanced crane maneuvering techniques. 1. Multi-point lifting. Utilizing multiple lifting points and coordinating the movement of the crane's various components can enhance stability and control when handling challenging loads. 2. Restricted environment navigation. Mastering techniques for safe and precise movement in cramped, obstructed, or overhead-limited spaces is crucial for successful tight access crane operations. 3. Load balancing strategies. Employing advanced load balancing and distribution methods can improve the crane's overall stability and performance in restricted environments. Communication and team coordination. Hand signals. Clear and standardized hand signals between the crane operator and signal person are essential for safe and effective communication. Radio communication. Reliable radio communication systems allow for coordinated movement, load handling, and emergency response among the crane operator and support team. Team collaboration. Close cooperation and coordination between the crane operator, riggers, spotters, and other support personnel ensures the successful and safe completion of tight access crane operations. Course curriculum. Overview of tight access cranes and their applications. Types of tight access cranes, e.g. spider cranes, mini cranes. Crane setup and site assessment. Crane operation basics, i.e. crane controls and systems, load charts and lift planning, balancing loads and COG. Safe operation in confined spaces, maneuvering, blind spot and obstacles. Load handling techniques, rigging, placement and securing loads. Emergency procedures and risk management. Identifying and responding to potential hazards, emergency stop procedures. Crane malfunction troubleshooting. Safety standards and regulations. Industry best practices for crane operation. Inspection and maintenance requirements. Advanced crane maneuvering techniques, multi-point lifting techniques and safe navigation in restricted environments. Communication and team coordination, hand signals and radio communication. Assessment and certification of operational skills.
Contact us for more information. You can call us, email us or go through our website, and visit us at this address.